Hey guys, what's up? If you are new to the channel, my name is Mahesh Malkapuram. Here I discuss all the basics of quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, shortcuts, tricks and how to manage your time in any competitive exam and many more. In this video, I am going to explain you how to find out the LCM of any numbers in just 5 to 6 seconds by using the 5 short tricks. Okay, if that sounds interesting to you, let's get into this video. Okay, so before discussing these 5 tricks, let us understand what is the concept of LCM. As we all know, LCM is nothing but least common multiple. So let us consider one example to find out the LCM. Let's consider 6 and 8. So the multiples of 6 are these: 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. These are all the multiples of a 6. Multiple is nothing but if you multiply this 6 with any natural number, the resultant is a multiple of 6. If I multiply 6 with 1, that is 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, like that. And in the similar way, these all are the multiples of 8. So I have written all the multiples. Now I need to find out what are the common multiples of 6 and 8. So in this multiples, search for the common one. Is 6 common? No, 6 is only the multiple of 6 but not the 8. And in the similar way, which one is common? 24 is common in both 6 and 8. And all the multiples of 24 is also going to be common for 6 and 8. The multiple of 24 is 48. Next one, so 48 is the common in both the multiples of 6 and 8. Yes, 24 into 3, 72. 72 is also common multiple of 6 and 8. In the similar way, all the multiples of 24 are the common multiples of 6 and 8. Yes, we got the common multiples of 6 and 8 as well. But we need the least one. Which one is the least multiple of 6 and 8? 24 is the least common multiple of 6 and 8. Hence, the LCM of 6, 8 is equal to 24. But however, we cannot do this entire process for every given number times. This is the lengthy method. That's why we use a few of the other shortcut methods. Unlike our traditional method, I discuss 5 shortcuts to find out the LCM of any given numbers in the shortest possible time. Here is our first trick. LCM of any 2 consecutive numbers is equal to product of the numbers. Okay, if you look at the examples, 2 and 3 are the consecutive numbers, 4 and 5 are the consecutive numbers, 9, 10, 19, 20, 24, 25. These all are the consecutive numbers. So as we discussed, LCM of any 2 consecutive numbers is nothing but their product. So here the LCM of 2 and 3 is nothing but 2 into 3, that is 6. LCM of 4 and 5 is 4 into 5, that is 20. LCM of 9 and 10 is 9 into 10, 90. 19 and 20, 19 into 20, 380. And 24 into 25 is equal to 600. So LCM of any 2 consecutive numbers can be found out in this way by using this method in just 2 to 3 seconds. That's enough. Here is our trick number 2. If highest number is divisible by all other remaining numbers, then LCM is nothing but highest number. Have a look at these examples. The LCM of 12, 24, 98 and 96. Here the highest number is 96. 96 is divisible by 12. It is divisible by 24. It is divisible by 48. Hence, the LCM is the highest number. That is nothing but 96. Look at the second one. 5, 15, 60. 60 is the highest number. 60 is divisible by 5, 60 is divisible by 15, hence LCM is 60. And the third one, 72 is the highest number, 72 is divisible by 9 and 72 is also divisible by 36, hence LCM is equal to 72. And in the last example, only 2 numbers are given, 25 and 625. 625 is the highest number and we know that 25 square is equal to 625. Definitely 625 is divisible by 25, hence the answer is 625. Here is our third trick. LCM of any 2 prime numbers is nothing but a product of the numbers. Have a look at these examples. 5 and 7 are the prime numbers, and 7 and 11 are the prime numbers, 11 and 19 are the prime numbers. The product of 5 and 7 is 35, so LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. And here 7 into 11, 77. The LCM of 7 and 11 is equal to 77. In the similar way, the LCM of 11 and 19 is nothing but 11 into 19. So this is 9, 0, 2. 209 is the LCM of 11 and 19. A fourth trick is LCM of any co-prime numbers is nothing but the product of the numbers. Here co-prime means HCF is equal to 1. The HCF of the numbers is equal to 1. In other words, they do not have any common factor other than 1. If you look at this 15 and 4, they do not have any common factors other than 1. So they are other co-prime numbers. Their HCF is equal to 1. So their product is the LCM. 15 into 4 is 16. And here these two are also co-prime numbers. 13 into 6 is 6 into 13, that is 78. And 3, 7, 4, these are also co-prime numbers because they do not have any common factor other than 1. So 3 into 7, 21, and 21 4s are 84. So LCM of 3, 7, 4 is nothing but the product. Product is equal to 84. Here the fifth trick is the most important trick, and for most of the cases the numbers will be like this. If highest number is divisible by only few numbers. So here if you look at this first example, 2, 8, 3 and 16, here the highest number is 16, and 16 this 16 is exactly divisible by 2, and this 16 is exactly divisible by 8. If only 2, 8, 16 is given, the LCM of 2, 8 and 16 is equal to 16 from the trick number 2. 2, 8, 16 is equal to 16. This is from the rule number 2. Right? But whatever the 3 here is, this is not a factor of 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. It leaves a remainder of 1. In this case, the LCM is nothing but the LCM of 3 and 16. So LCM of 3 and 16. And again, you can use a trick that we have already discussed. 3 and 16 are the co-prime numbers. For any two co-prime numbers, the LCM is nothing but their product. So 3 into 16 is nothing but 48. Hence the LCM of this 2, 8, 3 and 16 is equal to 48. And the LCM of 3, 16 is also 48. LCM of 2, 3, 16 is also 48. The LCM of 3, 8 and 16 is also 48. Let's have a look at the second example as well. Here also the highest number is exactly divisible by 5, but it is not divisible by 7. So by using the trick number 2, the LCM of 5 and 15 is equal to 15 itself, because this is the highest number, and the LCM of 7 and 15, again these two are the co-prime numbers, that is nothing but their product. So 15 into 7 is equal to 105. You can say the LCM of 5, 7, 15 is equal to 105, and the LCM of 7 and 15 is also equal to 105. Right? So other than these 5 tricks, we are also going to discuss the trick number 6. That is how to find out the LCM by using the canonical form in the least possible time. But because of considering the length of this video, we are not discussing in this video, and this is going to be discussed in the next video. I think this one is clear. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, or do you have any suggestions for the next video, you can mention it in the comment section. Peace.